Hello everyone, I'm Louis Felix and today I'm going to run you through my program for the week 9, the week of consolidation at Codeboxx. So first of all I'm going to show you the new HTML page in the Ruby app which contains the intervention form. So here is the start of the form with all the select options. I used group collection select to select from entities that are chose based on the previous. So it only gives you the previous ID that you can get. So it's all linked together. Next up I have right here in the dynamic.js, which is right here, I have the files or the jQuery functions that makes the ID linked between them. So this is the jQuery function for all of them, and it also gives the none option where it is required. So if we go on the website here, first of all you must log in. I suggest you log in as the admin. So like this, and the password will be linked, and don't forget the CAPTCHA. Employees and admins can actually access this part of the site. So we're gonna go home, get back, and we're gonna go under contact where intervention is. So here, it's gonna take a bit of time to load. So here we have the form. I notice that if you don't fill the required field, you will have a notice at the bottom, at the top right. So let's start. Let's pick a building, a battery, a column, and an elevator. Select our employee. Let's say David. And nice, but the printer is on fire. Click submit. Sometimes it doesn't work because the asset don't load properly, so you just want to refresh it. Still loading, and here we go. Let's do the same thing. I'll select Nicholas right here and say printer on fire. Now let's submit it. It is loading, and now it's saying you that it's registered. So from here we're gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna go through the REST API, which is right here. Okay, so now we have the controllers for the intervention model, the intervention controller, my bad, in the REST API. So here we have get API, which gets all the statuses that are pending, and the intervention start and date time are null. So this will return all the required objects. So this is the syntax you want to use. I'm gonna link it to you as a Postman collection. And here we have to change the input to in progress and what it does. So basically it gives you a little message that the elevator with status, the intervention with status has been changed to status, for example, in progress in this case, and it gives you the start date and time, which is based on the computer's internal clock. So it's not a random status, it is your actual time of you putting it in. And pretty much the same thing for the completed, as two different put requests. Now I'm gonna go into the browser again, and let's go to this is an example of the Postman. Here we can have the intervention. For example, if you use this URL, which will be provided, as I said, in the Postman catalog, you can just hit send from there, and it will return everything you need based on the requirements, obviously. It might take a while, but it might be because my computer is having trouble. But everything should be nice and tidy here, and we have how to change the status. So you just enter here the ID that you want, the ID from the intervention that you need to change, and you can do the in progress and completed. It it doesn't matter which one first, but for logical purposes, it would make more sense to do the in progress first and then the completed first. So that sums up pretty much the week, and I'll see you on the next week. Thank you.